So I think you can actually replace college entirely by combining learning online with traveling the world. And yeah, you can find online educational resources through online colleges if you want to, or you can use resources like Udemy, Udacity, Coursera, or all the open courses of prestigious universities like MIT, Stanford, and Harvard. And you can live abroad extremely cheaply. Digital nomads know this now, that you can live abroad in places like Bali, Chiang Mai, Morocco, Costa Rica, Mexico, extremely cheaply, easily, those countries at least, for less than $1,000 a month, which may well be less than you're spending living on campus, especially in the US. So you can combine these two things that are broadly what college is, living, away from your parents and learning useful things online by combining these two things, travel and online education.